Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. This is my 2003 RSX Type S, or 2002, I forget. I think it's a 2003. I've converted the front. A lot of people ask me about that. Anyways, today's video is going to be pretty cool. I think you guys will find this interesting. I'm going to basically put a flame map on the car. So normally when I'm driving around, I run on E85 and it doesn't really do any flames. It has like burbles on, I guess you could call it, or like a crackle tune, but it really doesn't like shoot big flames. So that's going to be the goal of this video. I put the car in 91 regular fuel, and I'm going to crank the ignition timing and fueling and try to shoot like gigantic flames with the two-step. So hopefully that's what will be accomplished today. If we don't, the car sounds kind of cool, or at least I think so, and I think you guys would like to hear it. But yeah, hope we shoot some gigantic flames. Without any further ado, let's go over and I'm gonna put the flame map on the car. All right guys, I'm now in the car, as you can see, and I'm going to upload the flame tune. So, gotta make a couple changes here. Gotta go over to the two-step options. Now we are going to leave that stuff alone, but the fuel enrichment, I'm gonna put a really big number. Let's start with, just kidding. We'll do like, I don't know, 2,000. That should be pretty cool. That'll be like almost wide open throttle. I think that'll be, let's check here. Okay, so wide open throttle is like 7,000. Let's up that a little bit. Let's go to, I don't know, 4,000. We'll start at 4,000. That sounds like a good number. I don't know. Now we got to make a really important change here. The car is not going to shoot that many flames without this. What I got to do is I got to change the cutoff on the overrun. So basically, this is going to tell the computer at all times that basically my injectors are always going to be open. They're never going to close. Normally they would close at a certain parameter, but I'm going to change it so that they don't ever close. So you can see there I changed that value. Now the car is always going to be sending fuel down into the engine, so it's always going to be shooting flames. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so first thing we're going to do with the car, I'm going to put on, well, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to leave it how it is. It's got a normal two-step. It doesn't do flames. It doesn't really do any of that stuff. So I'll show you guys what that sounds like and what it looks like. If this shoots any flames at all, I'll be surprised. Okay, now let's see if it shoots any flames with the flame map on it. Holy crap. Okay, so that was shooting pretty big flames. I'm gonna try to get a closer angle so you guys can see it even better. Okay, go. Dang guys, this thing shoots massive flames. I didn't think it would actually do it like that big and that well, but that's crazy. Those are like gigantic flames. Super happy. I'm gonna get some rolling shots now, so see if it does some cool stuff while I'm driving. Alright guys, so there you have it. I'm super happy with the results. I didn't think my car could even do that, but I guess with the upgraded fuel system from the Supercharger, kind of goes together. So very, very cool. Tell me what you guys think of the flames. Is it cool? Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new. I post stuff like this all the time. If you like RSX, Honda stuff, Acura stuff, I have the videos for you. Like I said, hope you guys like the video. I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.